Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to the Little Planet Foundation channel, where we dive into the most amazing corners of our planet. Today, we're traveling to a place that looks straight out of the movie Frozen, the icy, windy, and extreme land of Antarctica. With temperatures dropping as low as minus 80 degrees Celsius and winds blowing faster than cars on a highway, it seems impossible for anything to survive here. But guess what? Nature is full of surprises. Antarctica is home to some of the toughest, most resilient organisms on Earth. Let's explore! When we think of Antarctica, the first animals that come to mind are penguins. The most famous of all is the emperor penguin, the only animal that breeds during the freezing Antarctic winter. How do they survive the icy cold? They huddle together, sharing warmth and reducing heat loss by up to 50%. Their bodies are covered in dense feathers and a thick layer of fat. They even slow down their metabolism to save energy. So while we'd freeze in minutes, penguins are cozy enough to raise chicks in the coldest place on Earth. Penguins aren't alone. The southern ocean surrounding Antarctica is bursting with life. Whales migrate here to feast on tiny creatures. Seals like the Weddell and leopard seals have thick blubber to keep warm and can hold their breath for over 30 minutes while hunting under the ice. But who feeds all of these giants? The answer is the ocean's tiny superheroes, Antarctic krill. These shrimp-like creatures form swarms so massive they can cover an area bigger than the entire United Kingdom. Krill are the foundation of the Antarctic food web, feeding penguins, fish, seals, and whales. Without krill, this whole ecosystem would collapse. Now, here's a mind-blowing fact. Even inside the ice itself, life exists. Scientists have discovered bacteria and fungi living in salty pockets of water within glaciers. Some can survive at minus 20 degrees Celsius thanks to special antifreeze proteins that stop their cells from turning into ice crystals. These tiny microbes might not look impressive, but they teach us how life can adapt to extreme conditions, even the kind we might find on other planets or icy moons in space. You may think Antarctica is too cold for plants, but some still manage to thrive. Mosses and lichens cling to rocks, surviving the harshest winds. In summer, when sunlight shines for up to 24 hours a day, algae bloom, sometimes even turning the snow red or green. Beneath the ice, algae grow and feed tiny invertebrates, fueling the entire Antarctic ecosystem. Even in one of the coldest places on Earth, life finds a way. So why do scientists spend years studying life in Antarctica? Because these creatures show us how life can adapt to extreme environments. Understanding them could help us discover life in outer space on planets like Mars or on icy moons like Europa around Jupiter. Antarctica isn't just about penguins and ice. It's like a giant natural laboratory, teaching us about survival, resilience, and the possibilities of life beyond Earth. So, little explorers, remember, if life can survive in Antarctica, then life can survive almost anywhere. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Little Planet Foundation channel. Explore nature. Discover life. Protect our planet